Welcome back mga kapatid sa aking channel, Mac TV. At kung bago lang sa channel to, huwag mo na kalimutan mag-subscribe at share na rin itong bagong video yung papanoorin natin. Ito yung Mopats Brother mga kapatid na parang acoustic concert sa isang venue to. Sa ibang bansa yata to, ito sa Dubai, mga part na galito. Ito yung video na nag-viral na Stand By Me na ginawa nilang banyo queen ni Andrew E. I'm sure marami matutuwa dito. Meron din siguro maiinis kasi parang pambabastos. Pero ang daming mga good comment na lakas daw ng impluensya ni Andrew E. mga kapatid. Grabe, let's go, panoorin natin to. Game!
Whenever you're in trouble, won't you stay by me? Oh, stay by me. Oh, stand by me. I'm your queen. Whenever you're in trouble, won't you stand by me? Oh, stand by me. Oh, lumalabas, find your way. Sing it again. What are you guys singing? I like it. Lumalabas, find your way. Whenever you're in trouble, won't you stand by me? Do it again. Do it again. Oh, lumalabas, find your way.